So I'll tell you how I got this pretty much free. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can hear, I'm starting to lose my voice. Yesterday I had a voice. I woke up this morning like this. And I know some of you are gonna say like, clear your throat. No, that's not it. The sickness is just not going away. I had a miserable night last night, but I got 2 packages yesterday, and I was just so tired and just feeling of crap that excuse me, I'm so sorry. I know you guys are like, is this child ever not sick? Is this lady ever not sick? Well, sometimes I'm not sick. But yeah, anyway, I don't have all the lights on. The lights hurt my eyes, and I have my blinds only slightly open today, so you really can't see that good. And I'm sorry, guys. I would really love to be doing this downstairs in my space that I normally do videos like this. I just can't. So I'll tell you how I got this pretty much free. But yeah, so the games, if you've been following for a while, when I did the apps on my phone or whatever, and the new games and stuff that I was playing, I've collected enough from some of my grocery apps, some things I was doing for Pinch Me. I did a product review sample type deal, and I got a $10 Amazon gift card for that. I got another $5 gift card from for Amazon from CrowdTap. Just answering like little poll things, and then when free samples come up, doing the review on those samples. I had another $25 from my National Consumer Panel, the NCP app that I tell you guys about. Let me see. I'll show you guys again, just in case you forgot. But here it is, and with my grocery apps. So if you could see the gripes. Okay, the NCP, and it's just a grocery app. So let's say I went to the store, any store, and I click on purchase. These are my favorite shops. But then they have a list. When you click all, they have a list of so many different shops. Online, they have like gas stations, some party stores. They have Dollar Tree, all AT&T's on here, AutoZone. So if you guys don't have this app, it's a really good one. And yeah, so like if you don't know how to use it, you go in here. Let's say I went to Meijer. Then you just scan the barcode of your items, and then once you have it all scanned in, this is what it looks like when it's scanned. And I don't know what the heck it just scanned, because there's no barcode around here, but it scanned something. So that's what you get. And then when you click next, oh, this is what the end screen looks like when you are done and you're ready to put the amount you paid for your grocery trip. But I'm gonna cancel this. I don't know what the heck it scanned. Because there's no barcode anywhere. Oh, this is the barcode site up, so it probably scanned this. So like this, even though I ordered it online and I got it for free, basically off the gift cards, I can still put in, because I did use the gift cards to pay for it. So yeah, but what I was telling you, I have enough points here in my little rewards dollars thing. I have 22,692 points, and then these are the digital gift cards. But if you sign up with them, you have an account online, and their your online account, in their prize section, there's so many more electronics, like household things, clothing, it's just jewelry, it's so many things you could use your points on. But normally, of course, I use mine for Amazon. So if I click on here, I have enough to get a $25 Amazon gift card, but I think I'm going to save my points for a $50 one. And then what else do I use to gift cards? So the two games right there, the Bubble Rewards and Make It, you get coins, which goes towards certain Amazon gift cards, like 1Z, 2Z dollars, but then you could work your way up to getting like $5, $10, $50, $100. So I haven't got that far yet with those games, but the other apps that I use and then doing the survey is for like CrowdTap and Pinch Me and National Consumer Panel and the other things that I belong to. I just always get Amazon gift cards because we're always ordering something from Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking here soon, and this will probably be the end of the video, because when the kids get home, they're probably going to be way too excited about doing the books, pies, and bingo thing, but we'll see. But for those of you who don't know what this is, and I will be doing, I'm not going to open this because I want to do a complete unboxing of this. I'm just kind of showing you what I ordered. Yes, but yeah, it's a custom stamp maker, and I so need this for my business because I want to make my own like personalized stationery. I want to make my own labels for the clothes and stuff that I sell, and other things that I want to put my what am I trying to say, put a stamp on. So I've been wanting this thing for the longest time, and it was last year it was only like $49, I think, but this year the price went up to like $129, and I don't know if it was because it was such a hot commodity, but every time I went on a silhouette, I would always say, oh, $49 is too much to spend. But then when I went to go get it this year, it was like $129. So I was like, I am not spending that much money. And it's not even a lot of money when it comes to things that you need for your business, right? But the lovely thing is Amazon had this thing for $35. And I think I got it directly from Silhouette. It usually tells you, and my chest is starting to hurt from talking so much, so I'm gonna have to go, guys. Yeah, it was $35.99, which was great, and I used my gift cards, and I still have enough of a balance on my Amazon gift card things now to, if I want to order something else I could, but I have nothing else to order right now. So yeah, I'm so excited to use this. This is going to be awesome to go along with everything that I'm doing and trying to do to build up a business. So yeah, business startup sucks. It really sucks. Especially when you're sick all the time and you can't put all the focus into your business. So I'm gonna go for now, guys. Alright, everyone, so needless to say, things haven't gotten better for me. Greg just took the kids to book, pies, and bingo, so they'll be gone until probably around 8:30, and then he's gotta go to the store, so I'll just be here laying in bed, sick, depressed, all of the above. So yeah, I feel really bad though. The kids really wished I can go, and I kind of wished I can go too, but I gotta get better so I can be who I need to be for them, and I just can't be that right now. So I'm gonna do whatever I have to do this weekend to at least get to 90%. Heck, I'll even be happy with 75% right now, but yeah, especially the fact that Chris is going back to school tomorrow, so I won't have that extra support. So yeah, while Greg's at work, Justin's here and the kids are in school, but like when the kids come home, Jordan usually hangs out with his friends. Christian is hanging out with his friends. He's going to something at the high school, and Jordan's at the mall with his friends right now, so it's just little old me here. But Justin's downstairs. I think his girlfriend's still here. I'm not sure. It's been quiet down there, so that's just it, guys. I'm just so done, and hopefully I can sleep in tomorrow since I don't have to wake up to get kids ready for school. Maybe if I just kind of just sleep all day, I'll be better. So I'll see you Monday.